Okay? What's he doing? We got to get good alveoloplasty. In this case, that means under the sinuses too. The maxillary left sinus is hanging down really low. We've got to infracture it. Let me show you a little tip. Okay, coming on in. All right. We've got our... Okay, the alveoloplasty is perfect all the way around, but here it goes up. We can't have a thin bridge and have fracture in this case. We want to infracture it, but we're not going to be able to, this is the sinus right here, by the way. You can get a little look at it here. Let's suction the nose. You see the membrane go up? Mm-hmm. Yeah. You can see it go up just a little bit, okay? So we can't infracture the palate that's dense bone. We've got to take that down just a little bit without perforating the sinus. We're going to take this down to the level that we want to infracture to. Good. Take out some deep dense bone on the buttress. We're going to take that down a little bit. Dense bone right here on the buttress. We're going to take that down a little bit. All right, and now we've got that membrane C right here. You see that go up and down on the film? Okay, now let me have a Selden and a reverse. All right. We're going to drop this baby up. Let's infracture this floor. I like a Selden. Let me have a Selden as well, just to flatten it out. Okay, now we've got that big bump out of the way. We dropped it down about 4 millimeters right there without perforating the membrane. Okay, follow me for more cooking tips.